10 Amazon must-haves for this month. This ingenious adhesive gel is the silent hero of your home decor. It keeps items securely in place, preventing them from being knocked over. This brilliant wireless compact tire inflator is ready for anything. It's powerful enough for quick inflation and features multiple settings so you can easily handle everything from cars and bikes to balls and pool toys. This innovative mouse is built for modern life. It features a magnetic snap-on base and an integrated USB-C cable. With Bluetooth and USB connection options and a 4-way tilt scroll, it's the perfect companion for work or study on the go. This super slim 10,000 mAh MagSafe charger is a pocket powerhouse. It delivers ultra-fast power with 15-watt wireless and 45-watt wired charging. It even has a foldable stand and is backed by a 3-year warranty. This ingenious 2-in-1 dining table saves major space. It quickly lifts and converts into a 5-tier shelf, giving you a full-size dining table for parties and holidays without the permanent clutter. This is the only travel bottle you'll ever need. It smartly holds 4 liquids in one and dispenses them individually. Just fill, twist to select, and push the button. It takes all the mess and clutter out of packing your essentials. This fantastic Breeze Scape Sheet set is your secret weapon against overheating. It's 4.5 times more breathable and instantly cool to the touch, ensuring you stay dry all night. As a bonus, it features 18-inch deep pockets and a handy side pocket for your phone or remote. This bamboo cutting board is a cooking essential. It features built-in containers that slide out, allowing you to chop your fruits and vegetables and instantly slide them right into a container for quick, easy access. This smart laundry dispenser is a lifesaver. It uses a high-pressure pump to quickly and precisely dispense detergent and features 5 adjustable modes to dramatically reduce waste. This fantastic adjustable dog bowl set is perfect for bigger dogs. It comes equipped with everything you need: a splash-free water bowl to keep your floors clean and a slow feeder bowl to encourage healthier eating habits.